Introducing Garmin Speak Plus with Amazon Alexa. What you love about Amazon Alexa now in your vehicle. Just say Alexa to make things happen. Stream audio through your car stereo. Enjoy your music, your playlists, your way. Access news, weather, sports, stock markets, and more. Turn words into actions by asking Alexa to order stuff and make lists. Say, Alexa, ask Garmin to get visual and spoken turn-by-turn directions. There's also a built-in dash cam that records your drive. Remotely managed smart home devices, lights, locks, thermostat. Passengers will be entertained with games, jokes, and trivia. Choose from thousands of skills in the Alexa app. You'll be amazed at what you can see, hear, and do with Garmin Speak Plus with Amazon Alexa.
If you spend time on the roads, you are bound to witness irresponsible driving. And no matter how careful you are, you can always be affected by another driver's bad decisions. To avoid paying for the actions of irresponsible drivers, you need a device which you can always rely on as a personal eyewitness. The Rexing V1 has been that device, proving itself time and time again as a necessary addition to vehicles everywhere. Reliable, intuitive, and immensely powerful, the Rexing V1 offers several exceptional qualities which distinguish it as a top-rated dash cam. The discreet design of the incredibly lightweight body features a low-profile form, making it practically invisible to other drivers. The camera records full HD footage with an immensely wide 170-degree field of view, capturing everything with absolute clarity. Using wide dynamic range technology, the V1 can automatically adapt to any light condition, day or night. The camera also features a 2.4-inch LCD screen, which you can use to play back your recordings at any time. Document your driving experiences with a personal eyewitness that's always there when you need it. Highly functional and always reliable, the Rexing V1 offers peace of mind to responsible drivers everywhere.
Protect yourself from reckless drivers and arm your vehicle with the Mobius line of cameras from Spytech. Choose between two models. The regular Mobius equipped with a narrower field of view at 81 degrees with less fisheye and slightly more accuracy at the edges of the image. Or the Mobius wide angle with a 131 degrees viewing angle to capture more action. The camera is incredibly small in size and lightweight, making it perfect for using with RC cars, drones, or other small objects. It can even be set up and used as a fully fledged dash cam. This camera is a workhorse with proven performance, constantly improving firmware updates, and a build quality like a tank. Tough enough to take a fall and keep working. Record everything you do with the Mobius line of cameras from Spytech.
This is the Owl Car Cam, the only security camera that protects your car, driving, and parked. Owl has inside and outside cameras that you can access from anywhere. So when this happens, Owl sends HD video right to your phone. With Owl, you won't get blamed for an accident that's not your fault. thieves know to stay away or get caught on camera. And those other moments, yep, on your phone, ready to share. So get smart about car security.
Hey, this is Sean from Owl. I'm going to show you how the Owl car camera protects you in crashes, traffic stops, and break-ins. Owl has an LTE connection, which means everything just works. When driving, the camera is always recording. The last 2 weeks of video is stored and privacy locked on my car cam, so only I can see it. The Owl Instant Video service makes sure I can always get to my driving history, live views of my car, and get video alerts when I'm away. I'll never need SD cards, cables, or a laptop. Without the service, I can still see my video over direct Wi-Fi, but I can't live view or receive alerts. When parked, Owl is on guard and lets me know immediately if something's happened to my car. Now let's go through how Owl works. This is the Owl Cam app. Imagine that I have a pretty rough day. It all starts here when I get into a crash. Immediately after it happens, no matter where I am, the video's right here on my phone. No SD cards, no cables, no fiddling with Wi-Fi are needed. From here, I can make a clip and send it to my insurance company. And 10 out of the top 10 car insurance companies accept video footage as evidence. Then later, someone dents my car while I'm away. Owl has the IQ to tell between impacts and broken glass and sends me a video alert. Without Owl, I'd have no idea what happened or when it happened. I can also open up live view to see in real time what's going on in and around my vehicle. On top of all that, I get pulled over. I just tell Owl to keep recording. Another thing about Owl is that when I see something interesting or aggravating, I can say the words "OK presto" and describe it to make a titled clip. That evening, I saw a lightning strike and said, "OK presto, lightning strike." And in seconds, I had a clip to share to my friends. So that's how Owl works. The next time something happens to your car, with Owl, you'll have the video.
How do you know if you need the latest Garmin Dash Cam? You drive one of these. Or this. Over epic distances. Or just to go get takeout. In bumper-to-bumper traffic.
Yeah. Okay, Garmin. Save video.
To get out of town.
Are you seeing this? Are you seeing what I'm seeing?
And see the sights.
Is he pointing at anything in particular?
In all conditions.
Oh, thanks, Mom.
So, you either need to pick up a full-time passenger with a photographic memory.
Oh, I forgot already.
Or one of these. Garmin Dash Cam. The HD driving recorder that remembers all...